look at the picture above. In particular, look at the hairstyle. Look at this picture above. In particular, look at the hairstyle. Now, listen.
I'm not afraid to say Buju Banton, I'm my biggest inspiration. Ninja Man, I'm my second biggest inspiration. When I was going to high school, Calabar, when I heard Ninja Man, I was like, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. Music.
And as I've been saying over here, that Ninja Man was the ish. Ninja Man was the man in dancehall at one point. I saw where someone commented from 88 to 95, those are the years that Ninja Man reigned. Like, he was the man. Just like from, I would say, 96 or 95 to 05, 06, dancehall was really and truly Beanie and Bounty playground, to be honest. And from probably 07 until now, it has been Vybz Kartel. He has been the man. Apart from the 2 years where Alkaline have. But back to my original point. Ninja Man was the shit. Where if he's not on the show, it's like the show not keep. It made no sense. Yes, there was other important acts, other important legends from back then, but Ninja Man was at the top of the pyramid back then. Shout out to Ninja Man anyway there. Well, we know it's a GP. Free Ninja Man, that way I say.